Hello and welcome to another update video about Mana. Mana also broke together with many other altcoins through the last reliable bullish support level. We still have a possible 1-2 setup, okay, where the wave 1 peaked in on the 2nd of February, and we're now moving down here in a wave 2, which would, be countable as a WXY structure. However, also same message here like with many other coins, as long as we don't have an impulse to the upside which is generated, and then if it holds a 3-wave pullback, I cannot confirm that a low has been made. And at the moment, because we have come dangerously close to the invalidation point, I currently assume we will get invalidation of the bullish scenario. I still leave it on the chart because things happen and change very quickly here at the moment in crypto. But I currently fully expect price to break through 28.3 cents. Now it always has a chance. And if it shows a first impulse, then, obviously it can save the bullish case. What happens below 28.3 cents? So below that level, we have to look for a next support. So what would happen then? First of all, we would then have to assume that this fourth wave actually sits here. Yeah, and that we had actually something like a running flat correction here. And that the wave 5 of this entire correction is down here. So that this was an A wave, a B wave, and this was a C wave as a running flat in a wave 4. Quite an unusual pattern, but that's probably how I would count it. And then a wave 5 to the downside here in something like an ending diagonal, which doesn't have much more room to go, to be honest. I mean, if we still want to, for anybody who's still looking for a bullish scenario, then it could get down to around about 22 cents, because this is next. Let me see, where are we? If I scroll to the left, this is sort of the next support. I mean, there is not much more in terms of support below that. Yeah, obviously 10 cent is psychological one, but 22 cents would then be likely the next one. But I can tell you one thing. I mean, again, if this opportunity isn't used, well, again, all these coins which are currently, if there are any coins that are invalidating the bullish structures, I mean, it always puts them at risk again. Because don't get me wrong, altcoins, I mean, I did mention it now in a few videos, and I do mention it from time to time anyway. Altcoins are high risk, There's nothing there that would tell us or guarantee us that these altcoins that are relevant today will be here in 3 or 4 years. The altcoins that we traded in 2017, I don't know if any of you were in the crypto space back then, but the altcoins that we traded in 2017, I mean, there are a few exceptions, yes, but they are not the altcoins we're trading today. The altcoins that we were trading in 2018 aren't the same altcoins that we were trading in 2019, and the altcoins that we're trading in 2023 aren't going to be the same altcoins that we're going to trade next year. It is what it is, right? And therefore, just be aware, these coins die all the time. And there is nothing there that, fundamentally, people love their projects, I know, but we trade charts, right? And it's worth to consider something a failure when it breaks below a certain level. And honestly, Mana has broken below the 78.6 fib level. And if it breaks below the last support level, it's going to be dangerous. And then we just need to wait for the next impulse. If it shows up, that could give us some more upside. But at the moment, the trend is down short term. Trend has been down since February. So just be careful on the way down. Don't bet the farm, don't bet the house on something that's in a downtrend. When it then shows a first impulse, we can always look at it again, okay? But at the moment, I expect it to break below 28.3 cents unless a miracle shows up and it does a U-turn right now. Okay, that's my update about Mana. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.